Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this creamy Cajun salmon pasta. It's super simple to make and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. So here are the two salmon fillets that I'm going to be using for this recipe. This is about a pound of salmon. Make sure you wash and pat this dry. And for seasoning, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper, and 2 teaspoons of herbs de Provence. Go ahead and give that a good stir. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of olive oil over our salmon so that seasoning could better adhere to it. And now I'm going to go ahead and add that seasoning. Make sure you guys season this to taste. You are not going to have to use all of this seasoning for the salmon because this is a lot of seasoning. We are going to be using this to go inside of our cream sauce as well. So just go ahead and flip that over. That way you can season the other side as well. And again, guys, make sure you put a generous amount of seasoning. And then we're going to go ahead and add this to our cast iron skillet on a medium to high heat and go ahead and give that a good sear. Make sure you sear these salmon skin side down first so some of that fat can render off and you could get that nice crispy skin. Now go ahead and flip that over and we're going to get a good sear on that side as well. And once that side is nice and crispy and it has a nice golden brown color to it, we're going to go ahead and remove our salmon fillets. And now that we're done with the first part and we have our salmon and it looks nice and beautiful, we can move on to making our creamy Cajun pasta. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well as subscribing and hitting that notification bell. That way you could become a part of the foodie family. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and add our bacon into the pan, and this is going to be on a medium heat. We're just going to go ahead and add those pieces of bacon in. Once they have browned on one side, we're going to go ahead and flip that over. And what this is going to do is this is going to give our pasta a lot of flavor. Okay, once it's nice and crispy like that, go ahead and remove them from your pan. And guess what, guys? We're not going to get rid of none of that oil. We're going to use all of that. We're just going to add in about 2 tablespoons of flour so we can make a roux. Just go ahead and stir that all together. Make sure you cook out that flour taste. Guys, we do not want our pasta to taste like flour. Okay, so after you're done stirring that, we're going to add in a cup of cooking wine. You can substitute this for chicken broth. Go ahead and give that a good stir. As you can see, that is going to thicken up a lot. It's also going to reduce to about half. So now that you're done stirring that, we're going to add in about 4 cups of milk. And if you don't want to do the whole roux process, you could skip the flour and use heavy cream instead. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and give everything a good stir until that starts to thicken up a bit. That should not take you too long. And now we're going to add in about 1/4 of a cup of fresh parsley, 1 sprig of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning. Then I'm going to add in the remainder of that Cajun seasoning and I'm going to go ahead and give everything a good stir. And all of those herbs and spices are going to marry together in with that seasoning and give it a nice flavor. And of course, we cannot forget the bacon bits. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. It's going to give it a nice crunch and texture. Now let's move on to the pasta noodles. We all know how to cook penne noodles. So just go ahead and cook it according to the box. And then we're going to go ahead and drain out that water. Go ahead and add that into your Alfredo sauce. We're going to go ahead and give that a good stir. As you can see, the pasta is starting to look real creamy, but we're not done yet. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in a handful of spinach and I'm going to stir that in as well. The steam is going to cook it, so go ahead and turn off your fire because that spinach is going to wilt down. Then I'm going to add in a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then I'm also going to add in 2 more teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. And then we're just going to go ahead and stir everything all together. As you can see, now that pasta is looking super creamy. And that's what you guys want. It's going to be so good with the bacon bits and the spinach and the Cajun flavor with that salmon on top. Guys, y'all need to try this recipe. All right, so let me go ahead and plate this for you guys since we're all done. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that pasta on top. And then we're just gonna add that salmon right on top, stack that right on top, and boom, we are done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy but delicious recipe. If you did, be sure to leave me a like, comment down below what you think about the recipe, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.